So excited. Every day you are praying for me. I am praying for you. God is listening to our prayers and we are seeing the results. At the same time, Satan came to steal, kill, and destroy. Remember that. One side God, one side Satan. One side truth, one side lies. One side justice, one side wickedness and evil. Don't get confused. ఇప్పుడు చైనా వైరస్ వచ్చింది. So many people are dying. Today is the worst day in America for the last 6 months. ఈరోజు 85,000 మంది ఈ చైనా కరోనా వైరస్ ద్వారా అమెరికాలో సఫర్. ఒక్కరోజు అంటే ఎప్పుడూ లేనంత. నెక్స్ట్ 2-3 మంత్స్ వరస్ట్ డేస్గా ఉంటాయి ప్రపంచం అంతా. తెలుగు ప్రజలారా, ఇండియన్స్ సున్లో మేరా బాత్ భయాలు, brothers and sisters, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर, जनवरी तक ये वायरस पूरा मिलियंस ऑफ पीपल को अफेक्ट करेगा. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, ऑल ऑफ यू लिसन टू मी वेरी वेरी केयरफुली. मेंटेन फिजिकल डिस्टेंस 6 to 12 feet. Hand washing is so important. Mask wearing is so important. I am in my sweet room, no problem. When you go out, you should wear mask. Don't listen to President Trump. He's making mock. Again, today, he's saying everything is over. We are turning around. Today is the worst day since February. He's saying coronavirus is going to disappear. He has problems. He's only focusing on his election and sex. He's not thinking about people. He's not thinking about humanity. He's not thinking about Americans. He's not thinking about COVID. That's why he's paying the price. Even our Prime Minister clearly warning everybody to wear mask, maintain physical distance. That's wisdom. That is why, listen Indians, to the Indian Prime Minister and scientists and doctors and nurses, pray for them. Don't listen to American president, but listen to American scientists and the world. I'm talking about all the people in the world, especially UK, Germany, France, Italy. It's increasing like anything. They're shut down. I understand so many of you starving for food. You have to work. That is why I urged our Indian government and I urged American government, both political parties. I urged Republicans and Democrats, pass the stimulus bill. They didn't. 2 trillion, 3 trillion, they can print money. People cannot starve. Those who are dying, no food. In India they're dying, in Africa they're dying, in America they're dying. That's why I said, let us pray for these political leaders who has the power to sign a letter. If they do their job, we do our job, there is no poverty. We can eradicate the poverty of the entire world. That's what I am born for. I understand poverty. I starved for food. I worked on the streets. I suffered lack of food. You heard my story. All over the world in 155 countries. Lack of one banana, 38 days, I starved to death. Lack of 15 paisa, lack of $0.50, $1. That's why what I earn, I give 100% to the world and I suffer. Until everyone has food to eat, water to drink, place to live. I don't want my own house and my own life. That's why I dedicated my 100% of the money. That's what I challenge my billionaire friends, millionaire friends. What you earn is not yours. It is God's. God has given us wisdom and talent and knowledge. I never forget what Mother Teresa said. Not now, when I was a teenager. Put tears in my eyes. Then I confronted her. Mother, why are you having 20 orphans? Why can't you have 20,000? Why can't you have 2 million? I expanded Mother Teresa's vision. I'm a visionary. I want you to be a visionary. Darshanam leka prajalu nasinchidru. Lack of wisdom, people die. Lack of strategy, people perish. Lack of vision, people perish. Not lack of money. There is more money today to feed 200 countries 10 times than ever in the history of the world. Remember what I say. Last 6 months in America, 700 billionaires made $850 billion, while 80 million people starving to death. That's why I'm messaging every billionaire. What you earned is not yours. Give unto the poor. You brought nothing, you will take nothing. I repeat this. So many people used to say, why you keep saying it? I have to say it 100 times until every one of you understand what's my vision, what's my passion, what's my life. I want you to join with me. I cannot do it alone. You cannot do it alone. But together, we can change the world. We can make a difference. Thank you. You know, I get angry. I get upset. It's godly anger. It's a godly upset. I mean, people are starving. If in America, 1 in 5 people are starving, how many people in India are starving? 20% people, lack of food and water. Farmers, students, unemployed, jobless people, all those people. That's my passion, folks. That's why I build charities around the world, not for me. That's why I don't buy clothes for the last 20 years. Because every $100 matters, every 100 million matters, every billion matters. Pray for me. I am upset. I'm excited that my prayers are answered. God is doing wonderful things. Supreme Court justices did good ruling in America today. Thank God. You heard me what I said 1 week ago and yesterday. As I speak, God speaks. We need to be, our thoughts, our looks, our eyes, our heart. We should be filled with God and love and humanity and peace and passion. What we do unto others, it's all. James 1:27, remember that. A pure and undefiled religion before God is not going to church, not going to temple, not going to mosque, not going to guru, masjid, feeding the orphans and widows. James 1:20. That's why I'm born for orphans and widows. Millions of you know. And these politicians are stopping me. American politicians can't stop me. Pray for Indian politicians to work with me. Together we can do wonders and miracles. God is doing wonderful things. Philadelphia, I'm coming to you. I've cancelled many 10 major rallies, but I'm coming to pray for you. This Saturday, October 31st, 12 noon. Read where I'm coming. I'll be right there. Where am I going to be?
Museum of Art.
Museum of Art. Natalia, come on in. Ravinder. Museum of Art. Where am I coming? Leo. Thank you. I'm still on Facebook. Richie, good to see you. Listen, this Saturday, I'll be with you at 12 noon. Museum of Art. October 31st. I'm not asking all of you to come, pray, because all of you can't come. Otherwise, 100,000 people will come. But 15 to 20 people can join me, 30 people. But pray for me. I'm risking my life. I may be dead. You know, people are crazy, mental. But I'm going to stand to unite peace because they just killed another innocent African. 2 days ago, they killed another American. Indian American in Queens. We got to stop that. Good is more powerful than evil. Truth is more powerful than love. Love is more powerful than hatred. Manamandarmu satyam koraku pancheyali. Each can reach 1. Each can reach 10. 10 can reach 100. 100 can reach 1,000. 1,000 can reach million. Million can reach billion. Together, sky is the limit. అర్థమవుతుందా? మీరందరూ చాలామంది ప్రేయర్ చేస్తున్నారు, విష్ చేస్తున్నారు, బ్లెస్సింగ్స్ ఇస్తున్నారు, సపోర్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఇంకంతకన్నా నాకేం కావాలి? స్ప్రెడ్ చేసేసేయండి. అందరికీ స్ప్రెడ్ చేసేసేయండి. వైరల్ చేసేసేయండి. ఇంకా 100 మందిని జాయిన్ అవ్వ. మీరు కనీసం మీ పని మీరు చేయండి. కనీసం 100 మందిని జాయిన్ చేయండి. నాకేం వస్తుందో? రూపాయి వస్తుందా మీరు జాయిన్ అయితే? కానీ మనం కలిసి ప్రేయర్ చేస్తే, పని చేస్తే, వీ కెన్ ఇరాడికేట్ పావర్టీ, వీ కెన్ ఇరాడికేట్ hatred, wipe out terrorism, and change this world for betterment of humanity. No matter what who you are, what nationality you belong to, what color you are, what citizenship you have, we are all one in God, and Jesus died for all of you. My New Mexican friends who are wishing me, I have so many names to say, but thank you, because I said at least I will read 10 names. Carlos, thank you very much. And sorry if I'm misspelling. Christopher, thank you very much. Gabriel, thank you very much. And your friends, guys and the ladies. Gina, thank you very much. Veronica, thank you very much. Pam, thank you very much. Andreas, Guy, thank you for joining so many people. And your girlfriend Karen, thank you very much. Pam, thank you very much. All of you, so many of you. I can't read all your names. Keep joining, keep following me. And also go on Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube, social media, podcast. Let us do it. Together we can do it. We have few questions, few comments. Immediately, Natalia will read. Natalia, please read me 5 questions.
Yeah, sure. Dr. Paul, Bai is asking, why do you speak English on camera?
Who is asking that?
Bai.
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 Bai, why I speak in English? English is the only language out of 8 billion people, 800 crore. Half of the world understands English, number 1. But my Telugu states are like my 2 eyes. No matter where I am, my nation, India, is in my heart. That's why I'm still Indian citizen. But if I speak Telugu, I've lost already other 10 pages, 9 pages. Most of my following is Egyptians, Muslims, Iranians, Syrians, Libyans. I've lost them all because I'm only doing and 2 years I didn't use Facebook. So that is why it is important, very important. I speak Telugu, but I also speak English. అర్థమైందా? తెలుగులోనే మాట్లాడితే 200 దేశాల్లో ఎవరికి రాదు. 200 దేశాల్లో 800 కోట్ల ప్రజల్లో తెలుగు మాట్లాడేవారు కేవలం 12 కోట్లు మాత్రమే. ఎక్కువ అయితే 14 కోట్లు ప్రపంచమంతన. అందులో సగానికి సగం మంది ఇంగ్లీష్ కూడా మాట్లాడతారు. మీరు కూడా ఇంగ్లీష్ నేర్చుకోండి. మన మాతృభాష తెలుగు మనం ఎప్పుడూ మర్చిపోం. గాడ్ బ్లెస్ యూ. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్.
Johnson J is asking, sir, if Joe Biden wins, will you be able to restart your ministries in India?
I think I already answered your question. So many are asking these questions again and again. Johnson, will I restore the ministry? It's not Joe Biden. Our God is our provider. Yes, I'm supporting Joe Biden because he's a decent Catholic. I've known him since 1992. I'm not best friends, but he's a good senator. He made few mistakes. I stood against him in Iran deal and Iraq deal, but in reality, you compare him with Trump, there is no comparison. Joe Biden is 100 times better, even though he's pro-choice, I'm pro-life. But he's bringing the pot together, leftists and right people, Christians and evangelicals, non-Christians and liberals, to restore the democracy. So that is why we have no problem. If the chief ministers and prime ministers invite within 6 months, will bring billions of dollars from the 2,700 billionaires, at least 10% of them will support humanitarian cause and invest billions of dollars investment. I've done it. నేను చేస్తున్నా, తెచ్చాను, తేగలను, ఇచ్చాను, ఇవ్వగలను, చేశాను, చేయగలను, చేస్తాను. మీరు ప్రేయర్ చేయండి. Good days ahead of us. But we need FCRA. We need government permission in India to do that all. Without that, we cannot do anything. Next question.
Maru Suran is asking, why Jesus didn't make you CM of AP?
That's a good, lot of people are asking the same question. I'm asking Madhu, why Jesus did not make me the chief minister of Andhra? You know, I don't know. It's a long question. It's not one question. Number 1, maybe it is not God's will for me to be CM. And number 2, it may be not the right time, 2019. And number 3, I didn't come in time. You know, it's like building a house. Politics take time. I just came in 7 days. I was in Narsapuram, or 6 days. And then 3 months in Andhra from January 7th to April. And out of that, I was in Delhi half the time and half the time with my mother hospital dying for 22 days. So, మీకు అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి. నేను ముందు రాలేదు. నేను ముందు వచ్చి ఉంటే ఆటోమేటిక్గా సీఎం అవుతునేమో. ఒక ఇల్లు కట్టాలంటే 1 year 2 years పడుతుంది కదా. అర్థమైందా? సో నేను వచ్చిందే 3 నెలలు. అందులో 22 రోజులు మదర్ ఇంటెన్సివ్ కేర్ హాస్పిటల్ నుండి చనిపోయారు. ఒక నెల రోజులు 2 నెలలు ఢిల్లీలో ఫైటింగు సింబల్కి ఇదిని. నేను ఉన్నదే 7 రోజులు నర్సాపూర్లో తిరగడానికి. కనీసం పాలిటిక్స్ అంటే కనీసం 1 సంవత్సరం 2 సంవత్సరాలు ఉండాలి. ఇప్పుడున్న ముఖ్యమంత్రులు లైఫ్ అంతా పొలిటికల్గా ఉన్నారు. అందులో మీరందరూ ప్రేయర్ చేసి సపోర్ట్ చేయాలి కదా. అయినా నాకెందుకు సీఎం? ఇప్పుడున్న సీఎంలు నన్ను సపోర్ట్ చేస్తే లైఫ్లో నాకు సీఎం అవసరంలా, పిఎం అవసరంలా, ఎంపీ అవసరంలా. అభివృద్ధి చేయడానికే నేనున్నా. నేను మాటిస్తే మాట తప్పను. ఓడిపోయినా ఆంధ్రాలో ఉంటానన్నాను, ఉన్నాను. ఏప్రిల్ తర్వాత నేను 3 నెలలు ఏప్రిల్ మే జూన్లో ఉన్నాను. గొడవలు అవ్వకూడదు, పెద్దల సలహా ఇచ్చారు, మరలా వచ్చాను, మరలా ఉన్నాను. ఎందుకు? ఇప్పుడు ప్రపంచంలో ఉన్నాను. కనీసం ఇప్పుడున్న కొత్త ముఖ్యమంత్రులు కనీసం 2 సంవత్సరాలైనా టైం ఇవ్వండి. ధర్నాలు చేసి వాళ్ళని డిస్టర్బ్ చేయకండి, ఆఫర్ ఇవ్వండి, అభివృద్ధి చేయండి అన్నారు. వాళ్ళు చేయలేకపోతే, వాళ్ళు నాకు ఇన్విటేషన్ ఇవ్వకపోతే, దేవుడు కావాలంటే నేను మరలా వస్తా. ఇప్పుడు 3 నెలల ముందు రాను. నేను ఎలాగైనా ఈ ఎలక్షన్ అయిపోగానే వస్తున్నాను, సువార్త పెడుతున్నాను, గాస్పల్ పెడుతున్నాను, ముఖ్యమంత్రులు కలవడానికి ప్రయత్నిస్తాను. ప్రధానమంత్రి గారిని కలవడం అయితే నాకు ఇబ్బంది లేదు, ఎప్పుడైనా కలవచ్చు, కలిసి పనిచేద్దాం. బట్ దిస్ ఇస్ గుడ్ క్వశ్చన్. ఇంకొక ఆయన అదే చాలామంది అడుగుతున్నారు, మీ పార్టీ ఉందా? ఉంది, ఎక్కడికి పోలే. ఇప్పటికీ 78,000 మంది పాస్టర్లు ఉన్నారు తెలంగాణ, ఆంధ్రాలో. ఇప్పటికి వాళ్ళు నన్ను ఇన్వైట్ చేస్తున్నారు. 25,000 మంది కమ్యూనిటీ వర్కర్స్ ఉన్నారు, 10,000 మంది సిడిసి వర్కర్స్ ఉన్నారు. డు యూ అండర్స్టాండ్? అందరూ ఉన్నారు, ఎక్కడెవరు అల్లా. సో వీఆర్ టుగెదర్ విత్ యూ. I'm still going to be there. I have to be in the election here. You see, President Trump calling me last week in July. You see President Trump sending me from the White House his number 2 to my suite. Powerful leaders coming, meeting me regularly. I don't talk all about them. Why? Because my enemies will attack. It is important I stay here talking to the Supreme Court justices, praying for them. I'm doing my part without anybody knowing, exposing. If I'm showing you 2 people coming, 20 people I'm not showing. Powerful world leaders. This is my time right now to be here. I'll be there. After November election, December, January, when Corona goes, I will do gospel meeting, political meeting or whatever meeting, peace meeting. I'll be there in Andhra, in Telangana, in India, all over. Next question.
Mr. Burr is saying, Sir, please pray for me. I keep failing in my plans and I believe that people are taking money from me and playing me. Why is this happening to me?
What is his name?
Mr. Burr.
Burr. Satan came to steal and kill. I have been cheated all over the world. By the politicians, by the private citizens, sad to say even by own family members. Failure is the first step to success. You never quit. When I had billions, I thank God I donated. When I have nothing, I'm the same way. Trust in the Lord. Never quit. Keep trying. Honesty, integrity, sincerity, credibility is the key. Don't be disappointed. A lot of people commit suicide, especially in Indian culture, in African culture. That's not losers. You have no right to kill yourself. So, you will be successful. I'll be praying for you. Thank you. And all of you.
Last question. Reddy is asking, why are Muslims and Christians suffering in India?
Reddy is asking that?
Yeah.
A lot of people are suffering in India. Yes, you're right. Muslims, Christians, and minorities are more suffering. Actually, the international American ambassador, Governor Sam Brownback, and I had a huge discussion. He was asking me why persecution in India is increased. He asked me about several policies of Indian government. So many questions. He's worried. He's concerned. He asked me off the line and online on Facebook, and you've seen all. He asked me, most powerful ambassador in the world. And his title is the International Ambassador for Religious Freedom for all Muslims, Christians, Hindus, Buddhists, all minorities. If you are a Hindu suffering in Pakistan, he is supporting you. If you are a Muslim suffering in India or some other country, in America, minority, you are only 1%, we are supporting you. If you are a Christian suffering in Saudi Arabia, we are supporting you. I stood against American wars against Iraq, Syria. So in India, persecution is increasing. That is a big concern. And I'll be, what's happening by the extremists, that's my big concern. And I'll be praying and I'll be dealing with the Prime Minister and Home Minister, my good friends, when I see them after US elections. Hopefully, this will end prayerfully and politically. As Prime Minister committed to me and to you that he will be a secular leader. And we pray that he will be a secular leader. And let's continue to encourage him. God bless you. So share this message. Pray for me. Continue. Thank you very much. And see you tomorrow. మీరు కంటిన్యూ అవ్వండి. వన్ డే మిస్ అవ్వకూడదు. God bless you.